1 word, logos. 2 words, logos, logos. 4 words, logos, 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 custom logos. Wait, that was 5 words. Today we're gonna be chatting about how to throw a logo onto your video. You got a nice little PNG image of your logo or a JPEG. We're gonna take that and we're just gonna slap it onto a video so that you can brand your content and be like, hey, this is mine. You're gonna go to our website, typestudio.co. Then you're gonna go to the top right and you're gonna click sign up for a free account. You'll be brought to the dashboard. You're gonna go to new project. You're gonna go and find that video you wanna add a logo to. You're gonna drop it in and let it upload into our online program. To add the logo to the entirety of the video, you're gonna click this plus button right here. It'll highlight the entirety. Go to add image. Find that logo that you wanna upload in. Drag that in there. You can scale it down. Then, once you're all good to go, you wanna export it with your logo on there. You're gonna go to export. You're gonna go to download video. You're gonna let it render. You'll be brought to the sharing page. And you're gonna go right here to download. You're gonna click that and we'll download right onto your computer.